Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. I've been waiting to say that. Mr. DIY Chris had to take a little hiatus because he was working on his house. You gotta take care of yourself before you take care of others. So now his house is looking fresh. So now Chris is free and he's ready to get Project E36 underway. We have a few mods coming for the F80 and the E90, but we won't be doing that today. Today's gonna be the E36. We got a whole bunch of maintenance that we left off for like months, Corona, COVID, but now we're back and we're gonna finish it all off within the next couple of days. After that, I got a couple mods coming for the F80. You guys will be so excited for that. And the E90 is truly gonna transform. I can't wait to show you guys. So stay with me. Hopefully you guys are enjoying. Again, like, comment, subscribe, spread it to friends. Let them know what's going on. There's one, there's two. Tree trees? Tree? All right, guys, we met up at 9 a.m. and now it is, what time is it, Chris? 1 p.m. and now we are gonna officially start working on the E36 M3. There were just too many things going on. We had to make a quick trip to Discount Tires. Wasn't even quick, nothing got done. Came back, we had to do a couple other errands. Now, finally, we're back and working on the car. We are gonna remove all the wheels, all the wheels and tires. We're gonna be removing the brakes, the rotors. I got a brand new set that I ordered, so we got the whole brake job that's gonna happen. Brakes, the pads, the rotors. I'm gonna paint the calipers gloss black, so we're gonna be using the Duplicolor system. So we'll see how that goes. The Duplicolor is supposed to give really good results, and honestly, I just kind of want to hide the brakes and make them look clean. I'm not trying to make it pop like the F80 and E90. We're going to be flushing the brakes. I'll show you guys that procedure as well. We do have the Schwaben, however you pronounce it, the bleeder flusher, so that'll help with this job. I'm thinking about being ambitious and installing the spoiler so that way I can drop it off to get it painted, and once it's painted we can get it installed and it'll be installed properly by us, and the body shop just has to focus on painting it. So that's going to be really nice. So that's going to be one of the major jobs we're doing right now. Spoiler and brakes, hopefully. This car is coming together, guys. The fenders are rolled now, so now I can actually take some of that negative camber back and bring it more straight so it doesn't look broken. Can't wait to get onto the interior once the car is mechanically sound and the exterior is completed. Then the interior we can focus on, and literally this car is going to be a masterpiece. I'm telling you, I mean, I don't care what people say. This thing is going to be fresh. Let's not forget Mr. DIY's F80. Sheesh! What size is that? You like damn it, James? Damn it, James.
S2.
What is it?
S2.
S2. You heard it here first. It's going down. Alright, so we found out that we needed 400 foot-pounds of torque to take off the rear caliper 16mm nuts. Now we are just taking off this little black box, probably for the sensor, I'm assuming?
No, it's like a fitment.
I mean, but that's the sensor box? I don't know. It's covering something, okay? I'm not going to sound like a professional. Just follow my lead. And we should be getting this off in just a second. Alright, so now we're removing the 14mm hose to the brake line so that way we can do a thorough clean job and get this gloss black paint job started. Woo! Alright guys, so now we got the caliper off and now we're pushing the piston back. The front pads actually look decent, but it looks like uneven wear. I don't know, maybe neglected, abused, who cares? I'm changing them to brand new ones. I'm going to clean the hell out of this one with the brush and then with this caliper cleaner. Now removing the two bolts so we could disconnect the caliper. and now we could do a more thorough job cleaning. And we noticed whoever painted it before just kind of sprayed it on, didn't do the portions you couldn't see, and then also just didn't mask it off. So we're gonna try to clean it up the best we can, bring it back to OEM freshness. All right, we got our makeshift paint booth. One day this is gonna be a body shop, guys. One day, imagine it now. Ooh, changing from that boring old silver to a gloss black. I know everyone's like, silver and black, it's boring, James. Shut up. Shut up. I like to keep it clean. I don't like too many colors being introduced. The only time I like painting colors on brakes are if they're a big brake kit or they came OEM like that, or else I kind of want to hide the brakes or just make them look clean. We're not fronting here, guys. Come on. So, guys, I went with the hella Paget brake rotors. Chris with the burp. Damn, boy. I don't even want to stop on them. It looks so clean. Whew. Plus the black brakes, guys. Oh, my God. This 1997 car is winning. Chris said he wasn't having it. Clean ass caliper with this rusty old thing, so he went ahead and is polishing this. Oh, damn. These are the new brake pads. Greasing everything up. Don't mind me just videotaping. God damn it. God damn it.
I lost concentration.
Woo.
It's like this, huh?
Yeah. No, dude, drive the other way. That's for max performance.
Oh, I forgot.
This is for street.
You gotta take this one back.
So, 30 foot-pounds of torque here. Oh, shit.
Oh, let's put it down. No. I feel like it's
I should wear my gloves on and put my shit on.
I think we're good. The one that's super.
And guys, I was gonna shout out all the torque specs and everything like that, but it gets boring and just drawn out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna point you out what I looked at. So pause it and get all the torque specs for your E36. This is that true life shit that no one shares. So when you take off the stainless steel brake line, it's not that easy to put back on the caliper. It's a little bit of a bitch, but we got it on. We're going. Alright, this brake caliper is going to definitely give us more trouble. There's a ton of rust on it. Paint job was a little bit more shoddy. And there's just a lot of dirt on it, but we're going to get it shiny. You guys will see it's going to be clean and nice and gloss black. Just grab me a beer. What did you say? Can't you see I'm vlogging, man? You know how many takes it takes?
Remove the date. Can't speak.
What is
the
it?
Rainmaker is making me Rain Man. But wait,
That's not good for you. Yeah, it'll look so sexy. Watch me, sorry. All right, guys. So what I gotta tell you is, if you loosen this to create more distance between the perch, right, this top part and this collar, that increases the height of the car. So I went 2 full spins. We made a mark, 2 full spins. Actually got enough height to get clearance away from this fender right here. And now we're gonna decrease the camber with the Turner Motorsport rear camber kit, and that way we have normal fitment and no more broken rear wheel looking fitment. And then this car's coming together. doing? Oh. Oh. Alright, so
You can remove the thing.
Pump it up. Pump it up. Alright guys, so now we're using the bleeder system. We're using the Schwab-ins.
I need to find this.
We're using the Schwab-ins. So we gotta pump it up to 20 psi. Yeah, not anything more than that. And then we're gonna drain the fluid down. And we're gonna hopefully get the fluid and the bubbles out and the fluid in the right spot. We're gonna do the sequence, 4 corners, and we're gonna get it done. Guys, this tool is a lifesaver. You're gonna basically follow this, and what it is you're gonna be doing the passenger rear, then the driver's side rear, and then you're gonna do the passenger front, and then the driver's side front, and that's the proper way to bleed the E36 M3 brake system. So now we should have the brakes all fresh. Look at those. Fresh rotors, freshly painted calipers, the pads, everything's new. So it looks amazing. Now to see how it'll drive afterwards. But just so you guys know, this is the process and it's not that bad. It just takes longer than I was expected. You said what? Looters? Mike, who are you? Guys, we are complete. Right, calm down. I'm trying to do an outro. God damn it. Guys, we raised the rear up, adjusted the camera back to about -2. Now we have perfectly great fitting rear wheels and front wheels on this Apex setup. And then we flushed the brakes, changed the rotors, pads, and the sensors, and now we are finally done. It is obviously way past our bedtime. Just kidding. But now that we're done with this, tomorrow we can kind of focus on more maintenance things. And once that's done, the exterior can get its paint for the spoiler and things like that. And then interior, and then she's done. That's it. I'm not touching her because she is clean. I'm telling you guys, this is clean car. This is not some shoddy work. Like always, guys, thanks for liking, commenting, subscribing. Thanks for following along on this channel. Again, without Mr. DIY over there, this wouldn't even be done. So, Chris, big thanks as always. He knows I'm appreciative, but still, you gotta always say it, man. Helps me out big time. But cars are on your right. Hopefully it stops. We'll be good to go.